Students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. So, I am very much excited to share a very happy news with all of you. This time, our Hyderabad branch CA Inter regular batch admissions are extremely high. They are highest when we compare the CA Inter regular batch admissions of past 3 years. Definitely, it is a result of relentless efforts of our Hyderabad team, so which made this possible. On this happy occasion, I would like to convey my thanks to all the students, staff members, faculty members who have supported a lot in bringing this achievement and success to this organization. I would like to share a link in the description, so by which you can see the demo classes of our Hyderabad team of faculty for CA Inter regular batch, so that one can get more clarity on our faculty team who are teaching classes in our Hyderabad branch. Thanks to one and all.